When you wake up with purpose, you wake up ready to face any challenge the day may throw at you. At Inception Plumbing, we only hire skilled tradesmen. We work with the customers to solve the underlying problem, giving customers options for service to fit their budget. We send our techs into the field ready to take on any challenge with our fully stocked state-of-the-art trucks. Spending more time getting things done instead of at the hardware store. It's about getting the job done to give people back their day. Inception Plumbing. Great service starts here.